I wake up in the morning, I wash my face, I put on my uniform, I take a cup of tea, I brush my teeth, and I run to school. How are you? I hope you're okay. Are you fine? It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. This week we've just been talking about body care, and we talked about several ways in which we care for our body, what we're supposed to do, what we're not supposed to do, and we even talked about the oral hygiene. And here we are now. We want to do it now practically on what are you supposed to do when it comes to oral hygiene. Someone to name for me things that are used when you want to clean the mouth. Yes, Janet? Teacher, we use a toothbrush. Very good. Can you see my toothbrush? Let me see yours. Are you seeing my toothbrush? Good. What else do we need when you're doing oral hygiene? Teacher, we also need toothpaste. Very good. Now, we want to see the steps we're supposed to follow when we are doing this oral hygiene. What did we say? First thing first. And what of that person who does not have a toothbrush? What of that person who does not have a toothbrush? That person can use, yes, Oscar, what can that person use? Chewed stick. What else can he or she use? Salt. So we are saying, in case you don't have toothbrush at home or toothpaste at home, you can decide to use salt and the chewed stick. So the salt takes the place of the toothpaste and the chewed stick takes the place of the toothbrush. Now, what am I supposed to do? The first step that I'm supposed to do is, I have my toothpaste, so I will put small toothpaste on my toothbrush. Have you done that? We are going to do it step by step, and I hope everyone is following. Then, I'm supposed to wet my brush. Have you wet your brush? Then, we have to start brushing our teeth. Okay? You're saying? Are you done? Now what happens when you are cleaning our brush? You say you clean the brush nicely, then you make sure you remove all the water. Then when you store the brush, you don't store your brush facing downwards like this. You store your brush up like this with the toothpaste nicely. How many people remember to clean their tongue? Did you remember to clean your tongue? Remember, tongue is also part of the oral hygiene. And if you don't clean the tongue, your mouth will still have some smell. Do you remember the steps? We have wet the brush first, then you are cleaning up, down, like that. Then side, then inside. Did you clean inside? Inside both up and down, outside both up and down. Then you clean the tongue. Then you finish with up and down. Then nicely you rinse your mouth using dirty water. No. What did you use? We used clean water. After that, you throw the brush. Did you leave the brush in the sink? No. You had to rinse your brush nicely. After rinsing the mouth, then you store it. Remember, you remove the water first before you store that brush. And you store it facing upwards. How are you? Is there any problem? Any question? Are we together? Now, you can now show me a very big smile because now you have white teeth and you're very fresh and very confident. It was nice having you around, and I hope I will see you in the next lesson as we continue to clean the different parts of the body. Thank you.